How to change your learning level in Beelinguapp. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you want to adjust your learning level in Beelinguapp, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the Beelinguapp application on your mobile device and log in. Once you're logged in, go ahead and from the home page of Beelinguapp, go to the More button at the bottom right corner. And from the More menu, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, go ahead and click on the Level drop-down and select the level you want to change to for your chosen language. Once you do that, you can hit back and browse stories or lessons. You should start seeing content that matches your new level. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.